What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Behind the Bling. And on today's episode, I'm going to take this buffer, polish with it all day. And after a full day of polishing, let me tell you, this machine gets hot, guys. So hot that you cannot even hold the body of it. So, with that being said, you see the buffer, you see the eggs, you're thinking exactly what I'm gonna do. That's right, I'm going to take this egg, I'm going to crack it and try to fry it on this buffer after a full day of polishing. What do you think? Before I get to polishing, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to build some kind of tray or holder where it holds on the sides here so that the egg doesn't spill off, because I can guarantee it's gonna spill off. So I'm just gonna build that quick, and then we'll get to polishing, and we'll see if this machine can fry an egg. All right, guys, hold on. Pretty good, guys. It'll sit on there like that. Put some tapes on the side so it doesn't leak over, and then we'll see if this machine can fry an egg. I'm excited, dude. Okay, guys, we've been polishing for like an hour and a half and sanding, and this machine is hot, so let's see if this egg will fry. I got to put it on the top. Crack it. It's alright. It's hot. I don't think it's fried yet. It's starting to leak out.
Yeah. Oof, that's where you gotta do it.
Fuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, you got it wrong, bro. That's where that goes next. We only have one egg.
I got more eggs.
That's where it's gotta go, bro.
I think the casing's hotter.
That's hot.
Really?
Yeah. It's starting to, just my white there.
I like my eggs scrambled anyways. Fuck it.
That probably cooled it down.
Yeah, it did. It's cool as fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so the first attempt at trying to fry this egg on the machine didn't work, which I'm not sure why, because honestly the machine gets so hot that you cannot even touch it with your hands. As soon as I cracked the egg and put it on, and then I was putting my finger in there, I could feel that the body was cool, so I think that the egg itself cooled it down. So I really want to try to make this work and be fair with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack an egg, I'm going to stick it in this bag, and then I'm going to tape this bag to the body of my buffer, and then I'm going to finish buffing that tank that I was working on. So it's probably going to be like a good 45 minutes of polishing, and we'll see if it cooks over that. And if it doesn't cook over that, then my last chance is to wait till the springtime, the summer, when it's, you know, 30 degrees outside, and try it. But if it doesn't work this way, I really don't think it's gonna work, but it's worth a shot, right? So let's go try this out. There's our eggie. Okay, guys, so we've been polishing for about 3 hours. Our egg in the bag is underneath this tape. I'm done polishing. I'm ready to take it off and see what happens. It's still hot. It feels puffy like an egg. Doesn't feel like it's water and stuff anymore, but or liquid. We'll see. Let's go. Let's cut it open. Oh, I can see something. I think we might have busted the myth a little bit. Haha! Fucking amazing. That's a cooked egg, guys. Woohoo! That is fucking awesome. So, I'm pretty sure some of that's cooked. I mean, let's take her out of the bag. Whew, it's still warm, it's smoking. Guys, this is a cooked egg. Cooked. Woo-hoo-hoo. But before I start eating this, I need something. Hot sauce or ketchup, guys? I'm going with ketchup. Screw it. Guys, I am super excited. I literally just cooked an egg with a polisher grinder. It took a long time and it took quite a while to figure it out, but it worked, guys. I knew I wasn't crazy. This machine is friggin' hot. Oh, I swear we had salt. Oh, we do, baby. Oh, come on. Give me a little bit of salt. Just a bit. I hear you're in there. Well, guys, let's taste it. Nah. Tastes like it's been cooking for about 100 hours. I hope I don't get sick, but it actually doesn't taste too bad. Tastes like eggs. Not sure what that was, but whatever. Not bad, guys. I should have mixed it up. Scramble it a little better. But I'm super surprised this actually worked. It is true. You can cook an egg on a polisher. That's how hot these things get, guys. And yeah. Well, guys, honestly, I'm super amazed that that actually did work, and I actually got to eat an egg that I cooked on top of my grinder polisher. Took about 4 hours. It is possible, and the egg does not taste too bad. It tastes actually pretty good. So, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Share this if you can. Subscribe to the channel. I got more crazy videos coming out like this soon. Guys, honestly, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna finish the rest of my eggs. Until the next one, peace. This has been another episode of Behind the Bling.